Hey, what's up guys? My name's Christian. I drove here to New York all the way from Michigan to learn the ins and outs of automotive window tinting from Sean here at Window Tint Warriors. I came here not knowing anything about automotive window tinting and never actually tinted a full car on my own. After the full 4 days here at Window Tint Warriors, I learned pretty much every step of the process tinting a full car. I can now go home, take the knowledge that I have learned, and start practicing on friends and family's vehicles to eventually start my own business in my hometown of Detroit, Michigan. I just want to thank you, Sean, for taking the time to teach and mentor me in the proper steps and the process of tinting a full vehicle. I feel much more confident now and taking action with the knowledge that I have received. If you've been looking for a place to go and learn window tinting, then Window Tint Warriors is definitely the place to go.